Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 221. So now what we do here, we can bring this whole power to the right hand side. So it becomes 2 is equal to 16x to the power negative 3 over 2. Right, and then we can divide by the coefficient 16 on both sides of the equation. Because 2 over 16 is equal to 16x to the power negative 3 over 2 over 16. 16 divided by 16 is 1, so we're going to 1 over 8 is equal to x to the power negative 3 over 2. And then we know that 8 is 2 to the power 3. 1 over 2 to the power 3 is equal to x to the power negative 3 over 2. And then remember, 1 over x to the power n is just same as x to the power negative n. Remember that. Okay, so we're going to use it here. So it's 2 to the power negative 3 is equal to x to the power negative 3 over 2. Right, now we want to find x. And then we have this power here, which is an exponent of negative 3 over 2. So we raise this power to the power of what? Of multiplicative inverse of negative 3 over 2. So if you do that on this side, on the left hand side, you must do it on the right hand side. The multiplicative inverse of negative 3 over 2 is negative 2 over 3. Okay, it's negative 2 over 3. So we raise these powers to negative 2 over 3. So it becomes 2 to the power negative 3 to the power negative 2 over 3. The multiplicative inverse of this is equal to x to the power negative 3 over 2 to the power of negative 2 over 3. See that? And then these two, remember, x to the power a. When you raise a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. Negative 3 over 2 times negative 2 over 3, it will give us 1, which is x. Then we come here, we multiply these two. So negative 3 times negative 2 over 3. Then 3 into 3 is 1. Negative 1 times negative 2 is 2. So we get, this is 2 to the power 2. So meaning that x is equal to 4. We could have done another method. Let's see. You could have said this is 2 is equal to 16x to the power negative 3 over 2. Then you change this. You write this as a product of its prime factors. It's 2 to the power 4. So it's 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times x to the power negative 3 over 2. Then you divide by 2 to the power 4 on both sides of the equation. So 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4 equal to 2 to the power 4 x to the power negative 3 over 2 divided by 2 to the power 4 cancels. Remember, when we are dividing powers with the same base, x to the power a over x to the power b is equal to x to the power a minus b, isn't it? So it's going to be 2 to the power 1 minus 4, which is 2 to the power negative 3, is equal to x to the power negative 3 over 2. Then we raise these powers to the power of the multiplicative inverse of negative 3 over 2. So it's 2 to the power negative 3 to the power negative 2 over 3. Negative 2 over 3. Take note of that. Negative 2 over 3 is equal to x to the power negative 3 over 2 raised to the same power negative 2 over 3. See that? Then this and this will give us 2 to the power 2 is equal to this times this will give us 1 is equal to x. Therefore, 4 is equal to x. Okay, you could have done that. Right, we're going to meet when we do question 222.